You are watching Morning Musings with Reinhard von Hennings, chairman and founder of Bridge House Law in Charlotte, North Carolina.
What is Titan? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennings. In the vast, uncharted depth of the North Atlantic Ocean, Titan, the state-of-the-art submarine, or maybe not, met an unexpected end. Its mission was to explore the wreckage of the RMS Titanic, a symbol of human ambition as well as a tragic failure. However, Titan's implosion, a catastrophic event in the area of deep sea exploration, has far-reaching implications that extend beyond the realms of maritime archaeology. It serves as a very strong reminder of the risks and rewards venturing into unexplored territories, as well as a lesson on global businesses, maybe just like your business. Interesting, Titan was steered using a Logitech game controller. A seemingly small detail has sparked a flurry and a legal discussion and conclusion, as well as an area of discussion around the financial situation. The use of a commercial game controller in such a high-stake, high-tech venture, which is a potentially deadly venture, raises questions about product liability and the extent in which manufacturers can be held responsible for the unforeseen use of their products. From a legal perspective, the question of Logitech's liability is complex. It hinges on whether a game controller, a product designed for entertainment in a normal room environment with regular temperatures, regular pressure, regular altitude, can be expected to perform in the extreme situation of a deep sea exploration. This incident underscores the need for businesses to consider the potential legal implication, both on intended as well as unintended uses. Product liability is complex. It's an area of law that holds manufacturers, distributors, suppliers, retailers accountable for producing or selling a faulty or dangerous product. However, in our case of Titan and the Logitech game controller, it introduces a unique twist. What is an unintended usage? In general, manufacturers are required to provide adequate warnings about the potential risks. But what are those risks associated with a product when it is unintended? These warnings are typically driven and designed around the product's intended use. However, when a product was used in a way it was not originally intended or even foreseen that it would be used like that, here the Logitech game controller in an undersea environment, what does it mean and what especially are the consequences for Logitech? The legal principle of foreseeable misuse comes into play. If the manufacturer could reasonably predict that a product he might have developed and sold for the market may be used in a certain way, even if it is not intended, such manufacturer may still be liable for damages because it was somewhere, somehow in the realms and it was foreseeable. So if the product use is so far removed from the initial design and the intended purpose, then maybe the manufacturer is not liable. In the case of Logitech and the controller in Titan, it could be argued that using a game controller to steer a submarine is very unusual, is really unusual and unexpected. So Logitech could not have reasonably foreseen it. Therefore, they may not be held liable and ultimately not liable in the impact of Titan's explosion. However, this will be a matter of the courts, the juries, to look into the specific facts of the case as well as the applicable law. The situation serves as a reminder for global businesses to look into what is the potential use and misuse of their products, and at the end, to provide a clear and comprehensive warning. Only with a clear language you can mitigate the risk of liability. It also highlights that you need a robust strategy and a thought-through process of risk assessment to navigate this complex of product liability. As we reflect on the fate of Titan and the role of the Logitech controller, we must ask ourselves, how can we anticipate and plan such an unforeseeable, unexpected event? How can we navigate the legal landscape with regard to product liability when users are using the product in a way which was not intended? The implosion of Titans, as well as a product liability potential for Logitech, resulted in a noticeable impact on the stock prices. The incident is a clear symbol that investors may pour out faster than the news spreads. The first out means you still may gain something, or you may still sell with only a little loss. The implosion of the Titan submarine is not just a setback for marine archaeology, but also a question for you as a global business. How do you do your global risk management? How do you do strategic planning? How do you market in an area when unintended use is a risk? What is the legal foresight for unintended use? As we venture into the uncharted waters, let's think about this one thing. How will the lessons from Titan's implosion and Logitech's unexpected involvement shape anything in your business? Will you, for example, change your disclaimers?
Thank you for joining us today. If you would like more information about British House Law, please visit our website at bridgehouse.law. Before you go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more up-to-date content. British House Law, business-minded, client-focused.
Whether you're a private citizen, an international business leader, or simply someone eager to stay on top of the latest news, this book is a great way to get caught up on the most recent developments in the worlds of international business, tax, politics, and social affairs. Go to morningmusings.com and order your copy today.